Guys, Jubilee Rumble here, and today's video I'm gonna tour you around at the Sensory Park here at Toa Payoh Central. So enjoy watching. We'll go this way. This way. Likod lang guys siya sa 64 to 75. Dakuha day, ani niya day. Napark no, asa ito muna i-word nga sensory. Pari sa ta. Itatag na ilingkuranan. Siya guys, kaya siya kalingkuran ni Koran. So, hi. Dali na kalingkod where her lanson is guys. Ay, nindot ay ni siya diri ah. Nasa siya dito oh.
Oh, sorry na po na.
Ay, sa dayon sa naon dire. Pagkaunat sa motor Minduta dire. Dire guys. Mura siya na ay trace maze. Wow, it's nice. So we'll go this way. Mirror, mirror on the wall. It's me in this area. What's this in here? Eyes to see. Can't fit guys. Hole. So this one. Oh. Let's see. Anybody home? 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 It will echo guys. Hi. Hi self. It will echo. Let's hear Sensory Scape. Sensory Park, Toa Payoh Central. It's so beautiful here. Love trees. Wow, so silent. All the bamboos. Wow. Wow, so cool in this area. Hi. It's so nice here. So cooling. Yeah, hi. That's it guys. So we go back here. It's so nice. Speak English here. Hi!
Hi!
Oh, nag-echo no? Hello! Oh, nag-echo. This is here at Sensory Playground Park. Hello! Hi! Oh, there's a guys nga to. Ala! Hi! Hi! Nag-echo siya. Nakuha na ko. Sardinia Herta Coaster Course. Purple Fountain Grass. Super Queen. Typical early blocks were every story high. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II United Kingdom visited the Toa Payoh on February 18, 1970 and March 17, 2006. Oh, murag historical di ani siya diri nga site.
Dalanawan din ba? Dalanawan din. Ang tapay sa unang kita. Hindi man sila tapay sa age.
Oh, murag gikuan nila no. Vietnam leftover, mother-in-law's tongue. Ay mga makita nga plant diri ani siya. Firefly crackers. Tao Payoh was a big swamp plant. Block 52 was the first block in Tao Payoh. The top floor of Block 53 was used as a viewing gallery. Wow. On September 19th, Singapore hosted the SEP Games in a custom-built game village in Tao Payoh Town Center Sports Complex and Swimming Complex. Tao Payoh was the first sufficient satellite town built by HDB. Snipes of Tao Payoh. So here guys. Dito nga area. Uy, ka-cute ba ani? Let's see what's this. Connects Culture Ahmad bin Bad Abu Bakar. This white ceramic art piece symbolizes tranquility, bonding, and togetherness. Explore the different textures of its surface. Dugaya na siguro ani niya oh. Naanay kuan. The playground guys. Oh, nice ilang playground no. Unsa diha? Nindot ilang playground. Na dito nga entrance. Sige ata tuon. Murag maura ni siya diri no. Tapos dito. Nindot ilang playground diri oh.
Play with your senses.
Play with your senses. Unsa dai siya nga kuan diri. So this is their playgrounds here. Pambata jud ni siya nga playground. Huy naa siya pang hopscotch diri guys. Wow. My slides. Kani kay lisod ka ini. Kay naa siya.
Giring-giring.
Oh. This is very hard. Let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And somebody sleeping here. Hi monkey baby. Naa siya na-earring. Ito. Earring dili.
Ay nanganak ba na siya?
Wala natulog na siya. Nag-duty siguro na gabi eh. Kaya nag-night shift na siya. She's na nice nag-disco na gabi mo nang way tulog. So hanapon na to during area guys.
Mga pimang sa dito.
Oh, mo balik ta dito dai. Or ato na ta dito sa Lucky Plaza na lang. Lucky Plaza na lang ta. Mga pe. Sa 6th floor. No. Para direction. Murag mo balik magyapon tas agi. Tara to na tong naibas dire. Sakay na lang tag bus. Wala balik sa agi. Hinduton sa ni siya anahaw. Tutos mga kuan, oy. Mga dahon. Ninduta kayo. Oh, here. In this area here. This is actually black. What's black is this? Is behind block 70. This quiet afternoon. So all the trees are on this area. Wow, so many trees. I'm not sure. Wala sa bus dito maagi day. Wala no? Walay bus? Oh, balik na lang ta dire. Mga pina lang ta dire. No, maura gihapon. Dili siya mo adto sa MRT no? Hinduta kay diri tan-awon o ang mga greens. Mga kahoy ba? So that's it ra guys.
Dito sa among side na ay tuan na ay refilling tubig lately.
Sa inyo ha? Hinduta kita na ng mga kahoy. It's so beautiful all the trees guys.
Bulang na yun ang mga kabuya. Pula na nito tukas.
O dagpo na kayo og mga gamot. Wow, it's just like that. Asa tagi day? Dire? Dire ta. Balik ta dire day. Ato na ta dito na. Dire man to dire kapihan. Tapos magtambay na din ta sa orchard. Wow. Hinduta day. Oh, dire nga angle. Nice kayo ang mga greens. So that's it guys. We're in this area here. Nice kayo. So ano siya guys, we'll go this way. We're gonna check it out the Sensory Park. Ah, it's here. Una siya bus stop lagi diha day. Tatanawon. Oh, it's in front actually of block. Unsa na siya nga block 34 that side. Oh, this is Tau. Picture na tog tagsa-tagsa. Tau. Then Payo. Tau Payo. Yo. Payo. Then Sensory. Block 46, the idea nga dapit. Sensory Park. Okay. SENSORY. Sensory Park. So mana guys, kaya nag-start we started over there and come all the way here. Marsha, that's it guys. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video or vlog. Thank you. See you once again. Bye.